Japan is an incredible place to photograph, everyone knows that. After a few days of shooting with my digital camera, I asked Anna if she wanted to join me in a fun little challenge using disposable cameras, and she happily agreed. I picked up a disposable color camera by T-Race, featuring a lovely illustration by Hannah Otome. Anna went for a black and white XP2 Super Ilford. Both cameras come with a flash that you can choose to use or not, although for some reason I couldn't figure it out to turn mine off. This wasn't really a challenge in the strict sense. It was more of an opportunity to step away from our usual gear and reconnect with the joy of photography in its most stripped-down form. Of course, something weird happened with my camera. Again, I'm not entirely sure what. Maybe it was a double exposure or the film did not roll properly, but I ended up with two images overlapping in one frame. A happy accident, really, and one that created some unexpectedly beautiful results. There's something freeing about using a simple, no-frills tool like a disposable camera. Stop overthinking, setting and composition, and just focus on capturing the moment. The black and white camera delivers some really cool images too, with that classic grainy charm. Although, unfortunately, a few frames turn out almost completely black. Still, even those imperfections are part of the fun. With disposable camera, you never quite know what you are going to get, and that mystery is half of the magic. The shooting with this camera in Japan wasn't about getting perfect photos. It was about embracing the unpredictable, staying present, and rediscovering the simple joy of taking pictures just for the sake of it. The quirks, the surprises, even the mistakes became a part of the story we captured, and honestly, that made the whole experience feel even more special.